I know I'm looking a mess, y'all. My face is breaking out. I don't know why. I had some orange juice. That might be why. I think maybe the orange juice did something. I don't know. I don't know because I don't ever drink orange juice like ever. But I had some in my drink, honey. Okay, like grown person drink. And the color that I'm going to use is this right here, Cream of Nature. Hopefully it's picking that up. It looks like it is. And this one is called Light Golden Blonde. Yeah, and I got 3 boxes because I have a lot of hair and I figured I'll probably need 3. I'd rather have too many than not enough. So yeah, I did want to do highlights originally, but I changed my mind and decided I just want to do it all over blonde. And then after I take this out, then I'll shampoo and all that good stuff, and we'll see what it looks like. I mean, look at me right now. It can't get much worse than this. Usually my hair is jet black. On here it still looks kind of jet black, but I haven't colored my hair jet black in a while. So it's just basically my natural hair color, and it's just boring. So yeah. This face, this hair, all of that, y'all, is about to transform, honey. So get ready, stay tuned, okay? Definitely be re-dyeing my hair to get it the blonde that I want, which usually you have to do if your hair is as dark as mine was. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo this out with some Shimmer Lights shampoo. It's downstairs, but I'll show y'all that. Most of you probably already familiar with it, but yeah, I'm gonna use that to help tone it down, and I'll be back once I'm done, and then I'll blow dry my hair in style. So be back. Okay, so I just shampooed it. This is what it looks like so far. So really brassy. Really, really brassy. Like, I'm penny head. Like, okay, so this is the day after I've done the color, which it did tone it down with the Shimmer Lights. You can tell more now that it's dry because it was way more brassy than this. So the Shimmer Light shampoo, it did help, but it's still way too brassy for me. And as you can see, like, the ends are really dark. They're like this reddish brown, which is actually really, really pretty to me. But I do still want it blonde. So this is where we are now that it's dry. So you can see how dark my bun is on the ends and how much lighter it is in the front at the root. Which is, probably because I had a lot of leftover black hair dye on my ends, so that's probably why it didn't get as light as I wanted it to. And yeah, so that's probably why it looks like that. So basically, this is the game plan, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish this video. So this is the finished product with me using the Creme of Nature 3 boxes of the light, what is it called? Light Luminous Blonde, I believe. but I'll link the color that I bought. I'll make sure to include the name of that in the description. And I bought 3 boxes of that. So this is all after I put the 3 boxes on, shampooed it out. Then I went in with the shimmer lights, left that on for maybe like 5-6 minutes. So it did tone down the brassiness, but I am going to have to get a toner, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to bleach the ends all over again. Okay, so that's all, guys. So I'll also include a link to the description of the video after I have re-bleached the ends and toned it. So if you want to see what it looks like after I'm completely done, make sure that you click that description below. And yeah, hopefully it turns out good. I'm not sure what it's going to look like. I probably should stop right here, but I can't be out like this. This is not cute. And I may also do shadow roots and have my roots darker. That way it'll match my eyebrows. I don't know yet. Either I'm going to do the darker roots and make my roots black, or leave it all completely blonde from root to end and dye my eyebrows like brown. Yeah, dye my eyebrows brown. The only thing with that is once it grows out, it's going to be so hideous. So yeah, I may just do the shadow roots and darken the roots up. I'm not sure yet, but to find out, click the link in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Duh. Bye, y'all.